Hello and happy Super Bowl, my friends. Welcome to the 447th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen. You can't have a Super Bowl party without some chicken wings. So today I'm going to share with all of you my favorite chicken wings of all time. We're going to make Honey BBQ Chicken Wings. And my friends, these are so crispy, juicy, flavorful, and the bomb.com delicious. And the best part, they're baked, not fried. They sure to make your mouth water, and everybody's gonna fall in love with these wings. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my GameDay recipes playlist and my previous video, Cheesy Crab Dip. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your barbecue sauce, and your chicken wings sugar, because we're about to bake some honey barbecue chicken wing magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make the coating. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, make our chicken wings nice and crispy. And over here, I have some yummy spices, 1 teaspoon each of salt, white pepper, or you can use black, onion powder, garlic powder, and smoked paprika, with a half a teaspoon of parsley flakes and a fourth of a teaspoon each of white sugar and cayenne pepper for a little kick. I'm going to give it a quick whisk until it's well incorporated. Smells good. And that's it, my friends. Our coating is complete. See how simple and easy it was? Now we're ready to coat our chicken wings. Over here in this bowl, I have my chicken wing. I'm using the frozens, or you can use the fresh. And coat it into the flour mixture. And then we're going to put it on my baking pan. I'm using a 9 by 13 inch long baking pan that I line with foil, and I grease it with cooking spray so that way my chicken wings won't stick. And as soon as I get through coating my chicken wings, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through coating my chicken wings. Now ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 400-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for 1 hour. And then halfway through the baking process, we're going to flip them on the other side. And while they're baking, we're going to get started on the luscious honey barbecue sauce. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup of barbecue sauce. I'm using the original. A half a cup of honey. 2 tablespoons of hot sauce for a little kick. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And a half a teaspoon each of onion powder and garlic powder. Gonna give this a quick stir. Alright, our honey barbecue sauce is done. Now we're ready to coat the chicken wing. So we're going to take the tongs, grab a chicken wing, and dunk them into the barbecue sauce. Want to coat them all over. Just like that. And then we're going to put them back into the pan. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish coating my chicken wings, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends. So now we're going to put them back in the oven and let them finish cooking for 15 minutes. All right, my friends, I have taken my chicken wings out of the oven. It smells phenomenal up in this kitchen. Ain't nothing like the smell of honey barbecue. So now we're going to let the wings cool for a few minutes, and then I'll plate them up, and then we'll give them a taste. All right, my friends, I have placed my honey barbecue wings onto my serving platter. And of course, you can't have chicken wings without ranch dressing. And there's one more thing I gotta add to it. Some parsley flakes. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Honey barbecue chicken wings. Those look mighty tasty. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. I like the flats. Do you like the flats or the drumstick? Let me know down below in the comment section. Dip in some ranch dressing. Look at that. Touchdown! The chicken is perfectly cooked, sweet and spicy. Ain't nothing like honey barbecue wings. These wings are spot on. Yummy, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Honey barbecue chicken wings, licious. My friends, I want to thank all of y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, stay safe, and happy Super Bowl.